Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I just realized the color theory that I've been seeing on TikTok. I just put like red and black and my face is dark. At first I didn't understand. I was like, what the hell is wrong with my face? Did I did like some self-tan and it goes wrong or something? But it's not, it's just the red. When I take it off, it's my color, like my normal color. But now look at this, you guys. Oh my god, you can see like all the demarcation in my face. Red is not my color, but I'm just too lazy to go and change. So I'll spend the day in red because I love the color red, even if it's not like my color. Anyways, for today's video, you guys, it's gonna be a apartment makeover. Yay! Finally, today I will finish everything in my apartment. I will buy everything that I need. I did receive everything that I ordered. So it's gonna be the final result of my apartment. I've made some progress in decorating my apartment. As you can see, my venti table. But I will show you everything once my apartment is clean and everything is organized. This lip tint from Wonder Skin is amazing. I ordered it, it's been like 5 months now, and since I've been using it every single day, and it's almost finished unfortunately, so I have to order a new one. And this one is literally a game changer. And then let it dry. Oh my god, today I had such a bad dream. Ugh, I hate when this happens. Sometimes when I dream, I feel like what is happening in my dreams seems so real that when I wake up I get so scared. Let's do a little bit of gloss. And that's it. Oh my god, I forgot to do gua sha this morning. Ugh. Anyways, it is what it is. Let's go buy some apartment furniture, decoration, everything I can find. So let's go together. Oh my god, it's raining. I hate when the rain comes to my face. Ugh. At H&M home. I'm smelling some like scents for my apartment, and this one smells amazing. It's sweet caramel and cinnamon bread with ginger and vanilla. Oh my god, this smells amazing. No, I don't like this one. The cinnamon one smells it's the spray. Oh my god, I wanna buy all of them. I will go see in other stores, and if I don't find like any better than those, I'll come back and choose this one. It smells amazing. I think I found like a coffee table. It's like this. This one is black. This one is white. I wanted actually a rounded one, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna take this one. I don't know, there is not a lot of options here. Hello everyone, it is 3 days later. I just came back from my family's house. I was there for 3 days. I helped them for Ramadan prep. It's the day after. Oh, it's the day after. It's the day after Ramadan. It's the day after tomorrow, bro. Oh my god, time flies. Anyway, so I came back real quick to my apartment so I can decorate and finish everything tonight. There is no waiting. I am so sick of waiting for other items to come because I ordered it and I can't like decorate my apartment. It bothers me so much that my apartment is not like fully ready to, you know, just go back to my routine. So I hope everything will be organized and clean tonight. So let's start cleaning. Okay, first thing that I'm gonna do right now so I don't bother and disturb my neighbors, it's to hang a frame on the wall. I already started with these two, but there is a third one here. So I'm gonna do this real quick right now, and then we'll start with the apartments. Oh my god, I'm so scared of those things. Bro, what the hell is that? I don't know what's the problem with this frame. Like, look. It goes like this. But anyways, I'm gonna fix it later. Okay, let's clean my apartment before my energy is gone. And you guys, yesterday my sister bought me those Apple headphones and I was so happy. Oh my god, they're so cute. They were on my list for a long time and yesterday she surprised me, so thank you, sister. Love you. Let's clean. I'm actually gonna start my room. My vanity table right now is a mess. I need to clean all of this, and then my bed is already here, but you know, let's organize everything. I bought this thing for my room. It's actually for the bathroom. I don't need it for my bathroom, so I'm just gonna use it for my room. I'm gonna use it to put my skincare and my other makeup products on it. So let's go. Guys, I finally finished decorating my apartment. When I tell you I am exhausted, I really mean it. I can feel my legs right now. It's so late, but the whole work worth it because I am in love with my apartment. I'm not gonna show you the kitchen and the bathroom because it's not done yet. So I'll let this part for another vlog, inshallah. But I'm done with the living room and my bedroom. Well, almost. I'm still waiting for like some decoration to come. But the big thing is over. And let's do a reveal. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow! Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna start with this table. This is my kitchen table. I'm still waiting, you guys, for my 2 chairs to go here so that I can eat here and not like, you know, side of the other table. So I really love this table. And then when we came in, this is the view. I'm in love. Here we have some decoration. I'm not gonna tell you guys where is it from because it's just gonna take too long. So if you have any questions, just ask me in the comment and I will answer to all of them. So here like we have my setup for my TV. And this diffuser, you guys, smells amazing. I'm so in love. This lamp from IKEA, and then we have my armoire. And then boom, this is my bedroom, you guys. I don't know what I tried to do with those curtains, but I just wanted to, like, you know, something cute and just representing me. So this is what we have. And we came in. This is my bed. Oh my god, you guys, look, this is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can die for things like this. Look how cute it is. So this is my bed. I honestly don't know yet how to decorate this wall, but if you have any ideas, you guys, let me know in the comments. And then when we turn, we have my infinity table. Go. Yeah. Yay, this is my infinity table. It's small than the other one that I had in my last apartment, but it has everything that I need, so this is just perfect. And then we have this arrangement here, like here my skincare, my jewelry and other makeup products, my glasses, and then just random stuff here. I put it here with my vanity table so that I have everything and I can reach to everything. And then here we have some other arrangement for my makeup, like this. I'm really in love with my setup, you guys. And then out of my bedroom, I already showed you this part. So here, so just next to my bedroom, we have my desk. This is the old vintage table that I had in my old apartment, but I told you that I changed it to a desk because I need a desk more than the vintage table, honestly. So this is my desk, this is the printer, everything is perfect. This chair is just in another level. I am in love with it. I have a lamp here, have some candles, some decoration, my headphones, some stuff that I need, and then my Mac. And here I have all my books and stuff that I need for school. Then we have those 3 frames that you already saw. And then just next to my desk I have my couch. I have this mini table here. This situation here, I don't know what is this. I really don't like it. I will fix that later. And then just next to my couch I have this cute table, so cute, with this beautiful mirror. You guys, this area here, I am just in love. I really love it. This mirror honestly is so pretty. I was so happy when I found it. Like, it's literally the perfect mirror that I wanted. I had like a bigger one in my last apartment. I don't know if you remember, you guys, but I sold it to the new locataire because it was just too big to bring it here at my new apartment. So I just give it to another person. And this one is literally perfect. So just next to this area, we have my table to eat and just like chill and watch like TV. I am in love with this table. I've already have it in my last apartment, so I just bought like new chairs. And then after we have like my kitchen area, but as I told you, I'm not done yet with my kitchen. So for now I just decorated this table. And ta-da! This is my apartment. Please tell me in the comment what you think about it. I put so much effort here and so much money, so I hope you like it. For me, I really love it. This is literally what represents me. So I'm so grateful, alhamdulillah, and so happy. And I am finally gonna go back to my routine now that everything is clean and organized. So I'm really happy for that. But oh my god, the way that I'm tired is just on another level. So I think I'm gonna pray Isha and go to sleep. Anyways, I think we came to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are seeing this in Ramadan Kareem to everyone. Stay tuned for Ramadan vlogs. I'm so excited for this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to tell me in the comment what you think about my apartment. And see you in the next vlog. Bye.